Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 4310. I'm going to show you how to install the ink cartridges and also show you how to replace the ink cartridges and also show you how to load paper. So first of all, we need to switch the printer on to the power. Once you switch the printer on to the power, then select this button to switch the printer on. So this is the power on button. If you look inside, you will see a two line. So the two lines are empty. Now what I want to do is to install the ink cartridges. Open up this cover. Once you open the cover, then you wait for the ink holder to position itself on the center. So remove this plastic. The black ink cartridge goes to the right, the colored one goes to the left. So once you go in, pull it up. Then do the same thing. Do the same thing to the triple colored one. Remove this plastic. Then you go into the color. The colors goes to the left. This is how to install the ink. Make sure the ink cartridges are inside on the setting. Then close the cover. Then give printer time to recognize the ink. And if you look, the line that was empty is now full up. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. Now if you want to remove the ink, open the cover, then you wait for the ink to move from the right side and position itself on the center. It's ready. Now we need to put one of your finger on top of it, pull it down to remove it. One finger on top, pull down to remove it. So this one is colored one. I'm going to put it back. Then pull up. Go in straight. Then use your finger. Go upward movement. And it's in. Just check it. Make sure they are in properly, not falling off. Then close the cover. Then give the printer time. And once it's done, you will see that the two lines will be steady up. Two lines will show you full up. So this is how to install the ink cartridges. Now the other thing I want to show you is how to load paper. This paper we're going to use A4. I'm also going to explain to you, if you want to load photo paper, make sure the glossy part face up. The rough part needs to be at the back. So if you are using 4x6 photo paper or 5x7 glossy, if you want to print photo, put the photo, make sure the smooth part or the glossy part need to face up. The rough part need to be at the back. But what you want to load now is A4. So this is A4 paper. You can load up to 60 sheets of paper. So open up this, then adjust the guide. This is how to load paper. So this is how to load paper. Thank you very much indeed.